Hello and welcome to Ministry Web Designing. My name is Glenn Brooks, and today tutorial we're going to talk about how to edit your flash banner, or you can call it a marquee banner, which is embedded in some of your pages. Okay, so if your website is one of those ones that we created a banner in there, this tutorial will help you to learn how to put information. And normally what goes in that little banner would be maybe words or quotes or something of that nature. Okay, so if you have that, we're going to go ahead and use one of the websites that we have put that feature in. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we want to log into your credential website. So go to your login area and you should see your window pop up where you can apply your username password. So let's do that now. Misspelled that. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. And I'll remember this if I have to go back into it. Okay, here we go. It's taking a little time there. I guess the internet's going slow. Give it a few more seconds here, then I might have to refresh the page. But let's see what happens here. I do apologize. Normally my internet's working a little faster than what it's doing now. Okay, there we go. Wow, that took a while. Okay, so once you get in your login area, what I want to do is go to the actual website itself. So I'm going to visit the website. And let's go to one of the pages where we can see where this banner's at. Okay, so you see this banner right here. And if you notice, it'll transition to some other words on here. Just give it a couple seconds here. There we go. Okay, you see how it just transitioned out. Basically, if you have that embedded inside of your website, this is the information I'm talking about. It's a real simple process to edit this. I used a widget program for this. So what you need to do to go to your widget area, you want to go to the dashboard. And if you notice here, you drop down to widget. Okay, now, and what I've done, if you notice here, there's page quote banners, one widget, and then you got page quote banner, two widget. It's going to be something like that. And you'll be able to do those, the changes in there. So basically what you do, just drop down, really simple. And these are the words right here. So basically you could change that to whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead for practical purposes to give you an idea. Let me copy and hold this so I can paste it back in there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and change this. Now, also what I want you to do, put it on text instead of visual, because you're going to have this little code there. What that does, it separates and it spreads out your banner. You don't really want that. So what you need to do is just backspace off of it until you get to the last character right here. Okay, so that space won't be there. Okay, even if you don't understand what that code is, if you go to text, you'll see that. Just always delete that portion that I just showed you to the point to where the content that you want to remain on your banner. So I'm going to go ahead and let me copy this so I can save it. I may have done that a few seconds ago. I just want to make sure. Okay, and I'm just going to change the words here. And I'm going to put prayer, changes, things. And this is really good for a ministry. Really good for a ministry if you want to put something daily up there. That's totally your choice. Okay, and then once you hit save, that's all you need to do. We're going to go back to the page. And it doesn't matter what page it is. I'm going to go to another page that has, it's on all the pages except for the home page. So that banner's there. There you go. Prepare changes thing. Let's see it transition through. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put the, I'm going to paste that information back in that we originally had. So go back to widget. Okay. And then we're going to go here. And remember I said go hit text where you don't see that spreader in there anymore, or that space that causes to make your page spans out. Okay. That's not there because I just recently just saved it without it being there. So I'm just going to paste that information back in that originally had on there. Hit save. It's done. And then I'm going to go back so that you can see that the change has been made. Okay, like I said, it doesn't matter which page it is because the banner's on all of them. There we go. So that phrase is back on here. So there we go. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Okay, so we've done that. That's basically it. So that's just basically I'm going to call it a quote banner or words of inspiration banner for pages. Okay, so just remember that. If you ever have any questions, just come back to the tutorial video and you can always get step-by-step ways to make that edit. Okay, that's it. Love you guys. Enjoy. And I'll catch you again.